The Embed element allows you to bring content from other sites and display it within your sites. It's as simple as copy and paste a code. To find the Embed element, go up here to Add Elements and you will see over here, Embed. Drag this wherever you want it to be displayed and then click on it, and over here on the left you will click on the Embed icon. You will see you need to paste the code here. This code you will typically get from other sites. If you understand inline frame, you will also be able to make your own. In this case, we will just use an example from a few other sites, and probably the most famous is YouTube. If you go to any YouTube video and you click on share, you will see there's an option called embed. When you click on that, you see the code over here. Highlight the code, copy it, go back to your page, click here and then paste the code, and you will see it will bring in that YouTube video. It has now embedded that video from YouTube onto your site. From here you have a few styling options. Just remember that also the embed width as well as the column in which you put it will determine how big it can get. In this case, if I click on it, you have the handles here on the left and right with which you can adjust it. You can also make it smaller. You won't be able to make it bigger because if you click again here on the settings, you will see the height is at 315 and the width at 560 pixels. It will not be able to go bigger than that. However, like you've seen, you can indeed make it smaller or change a little bit of the size. Let's have a look at another example. This time I'll go to Vimeo. Inside Vimeo, you will see the share button. Clicking on it, again, you will see embed option down here. Often within sites, you will have options of how you want to embed it, and you can choose how it should display, the size over here, as well as other functions. This is up to you. To get the code, click again up here and copy it. Go back to your Brizy page, click on it, embed icon, highlight all this text, and then paste the new text, and it will switch to the new embedded content. Let's do two more examples. This time I'll just bring in a row with two columns and drop it here. And then we bring embed element for the first one. And then we bring another one for the second column. This time we're going to go to Bandcamp, another site for music. Let's say you want to embed this music album. Click here on share and embed. And then here embed this album. Same as before with Vimeo, you're going to see many options already pre-designed for you. If I choose this one over here, it will also give me other examples. If you are happy with how it looks, you are going to grab the code again here. You copy it, Control-Command-C, go back, click on it, your embed icon, and paste your code. And it will come in very nicely. I can drag my columns around and you will observe how it also changes the dimensions of the embedded content. This is important to understand that a lot of it is dependent on the width of the column as well as the settings up here, where you can also play around with the width. Let's do another one, and this is probably one of the examples where embed elements are still very popular today, and that is with people who do podcasts. You may have a podcast and it will be hosted on your podcast site, but then you want to bring it onto your own website. For that, many podcasts will allow you to do that. Again, same thing, you look for the embed function, click on it, and then over here, get all the code, Control-Command-C, and when you go here and you paste it, it will bring in your player, and you can add some content over here. This, again, sizing is all dependent on what it says up here. You will see 220 to 150. If you know a little bit about it, you can go around and play around with that, and it will adjust the width and the height to how you want it to display on your site. For more videos on the elements here at Brizy, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, join us on our Facebook forum and visit us at brizy.io.